Create unique ornaments that will bring a fresh, modern touch to your Christmas tree. Start by preparing a plastic container and grabbing a few wax crayons. The color palette is entirely up to you. Combine your favorite shades or match them to your interior. Contrasting tones will give a bold effect, while pastels will create a soft, elegant look. Use a sharpener to make thin shavings from the crayons. Mix the colors freely to get an interesting result. Once you have your colorful mix ready, take clear ornaments and fill them with the crayon shavings. Then, gently heat the ornament with a hairdryer. The warmth will cause the shavings to melt slightly, blending into beautiful swirls of color. Be careful not to use too much heat. Watch as the crayons slowly melt, creating magical, vibrant patterns inside. Finally, tie a decorative ribbon on top, and it's ready. Hang it on your tree and admire the result. Each ornament is one of a kind, like a tiny piece of art, adding creativity and sparkle to your holiday decor. A Christmas door wreath for just $3.75. I apply hot glue to the edges of bottle caps, stick them onto felt, and cut them out. I repeat this with 9 caps and arrange them in a circle. I reinforce the entire structure with wooden sticks to keep it stable. Then I make a loop from string and glue it in place. I flip the wreath over. On the front, I attach a decorative poinsettia and green twigs. At their ends, I glue on some cranberries. This kind of wreath is lightweight and looks lovely on the front door. And if someone steals it, I won't mind. It only cost me $3.75. I made this Christmas centerpiece for just about $1. It only takes a few minutes to prepare, and the result is stunning. You'll need a simple tin can. For example, one from corn. You probably already have one in your kitchen. Just open it, empty the contents, and remove the label. Then grab a few pine cones from the forest or your garden. Try to choose ones that are similar in shape and height. They'll fit the can perfectly. Using hot glue, attach the pine cones all around the can until it's completely covered. This creates a natural, rustic base for your centerpiece. Next, place a piece of floral foam inside. Take a candle in any color that matches your home decor. I chose a red one because it perfectly captures the Christmas spirit. Insert a small piece of wire or a toothpick into the bottom of the candle and stick it into the foam so it stays steady. Fill the empty spaces with a few spruce or fir branches from your garden. They'll beautifully surround the candle. You can also glue a few branches to the pine cones to expose the candle more. Finally, add a few decorations, maybe some from last year. I used red rowan twigs and small ornaments. Let your centerpiece reflect your style and holiday mood. Now just light the candle and enjoy the cozy Christmas atmosphere. Every neighbor will ask where you bought such a lovely decoration. Few people know this trick. Take a ribbon, place it on the window handle, wrap it around and cross the ends. One goes underneath, the other over the top. Tie the ribbon in the middle with a knot, lower the handles, and that's it. You have the perfect bow. From now on, wrapping gifts will be so much easier. Cut strips from foil and create a unique decoration. Start with decorative foil or paper in any color or pattern. Cut out a square, adjusting the size to match your gift. Fold the square in half to form a triangle, making sure the fold is neat. Use scissors to cut strips along the folded triangle, spacing them evenly but leaving about 1 centimeter uncut at the edges. Apply a thin layer of glue along the strips, folding and attaching each one to the center, starting with the longest strips. Repeat the process on the other side. Your decoration will begin to look like a 3D Christmas tree. Once finished, flip it over and apply glue to the back. Attach it carefully to a wrapped gift. Add a decorative star to the top of the tree for a festive touch. This is a creative way to make traditional gift wrapping more special and unique. Prepare your cutlery for the holidays with a simple method that will make it shine and impress your guests. Place the cutlery in a large pot and fill it with water. Bring the water to a boil, then add 1 tablespoon each of vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, and baking soda. Next, Crumple pieces of aluminum foil into small balls and drop them into the pot. Boil everything together for 10 minutes. Afterward, take out the cutlery, lay it on a towel, and polish it. The result? Sparkling cutlery ready for the holiday table. Create a festive centerpiece using wine glasses without spending any extra money. It's common to have leftover glasses after some break, so this project is a perfect way to reuse them. Start with a decorative or brightly colored plate as your base. You'll need 3 wine glasses for this project. Before placing them, take a thick, decorative paper, trace the glass rim to create 3 circles and cut them out. Set the circles aside for now. Fill each glass with a mix of baubles in your chosen colors and small ornaments you already have. Seal the tops of the glasses with the paper circles using hot glue, locking the decorations inside. Place the glasses upside down on the plate. For a festive touch, tie red ribbons around the stems, making charming bows. Finally, place small candles on the bases of the inverted glasses. Light the candles to create a stunning centerpiece perfect for a holiday dinner or a cozy winter evening. Enjoy the warm, festive glow that brings a magical atmosphere to your home. Surprise your loved ones with a simple and quick decoration that works perfectly as a gift or a sweet addition to the holiday table. Start by taking a rectangular piece of cellophane and arranging 5 Ferrero Rocher chocolates in a row. Roll the cellophane slowly and evenly to form a neat tube. Make sure the cellophane fits snugly around the chocolates, but isn't too tight to avoid damaging the delicate treats. Cut a few pieces of string and tie them between each chocolate, pressing gently to shape them. Ensure the string holds firmly but doesn't squash the chocolates. Trim any excess string for a clean look. Fold the ends of the cellophane upward and tie them together with string to form a circular shape. Add a small decoration, like a bauble, attaching it to the top of the wreath. Finally, use a decorative ribbon to tie a bow at the top, completing the elegant look. Done. Your festive Ferrero Rocher wreath is not only beautiful but also delicious. This decoration makes a perfect gift or a unique centerpiece for your Christmas table. Prepare your cutlery for the holidays with a simple method that will make it shine and impress your guests. Place the cutlery in a large pot and fill it with water. Bring the water to a boil, then add 1 tablespoon each of vinegar, hydrogen peroxide, and baking soda. Next, crumple pieces of aluminum foil into small balls and drop them into the pot. Boil everything together for 10 minutes. Afterward, take out the cutlery, lay it on a towel, and polish it. The result? Sparkling cutlery ready for the holiday table.